Page 35, Mary's Boy Child. It's a Christmas piece. They're not presenting anything new here. You're just using what you've already had. We keep reviewing and learning things, and a lot of it is just keep using what you have because you'll gradually get it better. It gets more ingrained, and it really is helpful too to go back and review things and go through things more than once. So go through the first part and go play all those things again and remind yourself what all the things mean on all the symbols and everything. It takes a lot of review and a lot of practice, and we get there eventually. Just don't be in a hurry and you'll be fine. So let's look this over. We have a grand staff again. They have the RH and the right and the LH there. You don't need those. I just told you the right hand's going to play the upper staff and the left hand's going to play the lower staff for now. That can change later on, but for now that's the way it's going to be. And we have the treble clef and the bass clef signs, the clefs. Then you have the 4/4 time signature, so there's 4 counts in a measure, and we're counting quarter notes. Okay, and it goes down to the bottom. Okay, we got quarter notes and half notes and whole notes, and I see a dotted half note or two. That's fine. Okay, so let's just try it. Make sure we get the notes. So at the beginning, your third finger's on E in the right hand here. Now put your hand here, and the left hand comes in at the end of the first line. The second finger's on a B here. And so now we're in middle C position again. Big surprise. Let's just try these notes out. You should know the names of these notes instantly in the music, and you try and figure out or try and remember which finger is on which key. So you're thinking, I'm playing note name here in the music to note name on the keyboard, key name. That's how you correlate them together, with note names. Not finger numbers, note names. So you got to remember in the last measure there in the left hand that the second finger is on your B. I mean, it tells you that, but you got to remember that anyway. Don't think I'm going to play second finger here. Think I'm going to play a B, and I'm going to use whatever finger I got is on that key, and it happens to be second finger. It takes time, but you'll get there. Second line, because this looks a little jumbled up here, so we just take it a note at a time. It's a G, A. The left hand gets it. So you just play the notes as they come, and whichever hand or whichever staff they're in. So work it out and then get rid of the hesitations. Get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard, also eventually. Any speed you want to go, it doesn't matter. This is not a fast piece. Then when you feel you're ready, then come back and play it with me, and let's make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. You should be playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it, is what I'm getting at. And we go really, really slow. I mean, if you're actually going to play it and sing it or whatever, maybe you're playing it and somebody else is singing it. I don't care. But you're going to go faster than that. But for the play with me, we're not trying to perform it. We're just checking notes and rhythms, so we go slow. That's it. So I'll give us 4 counts, and let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3, 4,